So I've got my job file on here.
Jump up here, Carl. He's
Got
got
my-
his sunglasses on because he's got a little camera in there and he watches.
So,
He records how he does it. So this is Justin Carl.
Carl,
Justin.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So I got a TP3 file on here that I did my site calibration on,
Yep.
and then I can show you how we can edit those, the data. Anyway, show you what we got. So
Yeah.
now we need to go make a new project. Projects. I'm gonna make a new one. Nope, we don't need to do that. Shoot.
So this is 104.
We're just gonna call it Mary's Meadows. And each time we bring a new, hopefully we can just call it Mary's Meadows, and we just need to bring in a new file every time. Oops. Mary. Oh,
Fat fingers, dude, or what?
fat finger.
And you record
Easy. If you
this?
look at that. Air, read.
Are you nervous?
No. How do you do a space?
Huh? Space right there.
It doesn't work, dog.
I don't think you can when you name a project that has to be the same.
That's a.
same name.
Talk to Topcon about that.
Okay. I think there are hand towels. I think there's hand towels on the compartment on the passenger side above the tire. It's in a white tub about that long, the red top, and it's round. I think there. I don't know. I'm not positive, but it may or may not be. And I may or may not be right, which I'm probably not right, but I'm never right.
Mary's Meadows. Okay. Now we're on Mary's Meadows. We've got the VRS. So that was already.
Yeah, baby.
But then now we're going to go to import.
Down.
Import, export, import. Now it's going to need a TP3 file, which is on the USB drive. I'm going to change the folder to USB drive. Mary's Meadows. Next. Entire project. Replace. No, we don't, because we don't have anything in there, so it doesn't matter. Import. Saying no site localization. That's what I tried to do in the computer. Was make a site localization.
We're still
Control.
learning on this, Carl. So you're gonna learn with us. Okay.
Ah.
You know how to run that thing?
So
We're learning. We're learning.
control points.
Craig, this is Carl. Carl, Craig. That's Jason over there. I think we're just going to do a 6-speed run. That's it? 'Cause then we'll
There.
get out of the car. We're from High Point.
Points. Now edit. Control points. Oh, cancel. Close. Data. Control.
They want to
See, now I've already done that, but you can do it here too. You can add a control point, add the XY and the WGS84. That's something that I noticed is really, really nice. You'll do it right here on the hoe without any TP3 or other files from the SD card. So hit cancel. I've already calibrated the site. Okay,
I know.
it should be good to go.
Okay, thank you.